Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shoutout din sa mga podcast listeners natin. I appreciate you all. Today, didiscuss natin yung mga stocks with the highest dividend yields noong 2020. So, last year lang. Disclaimer lang guys, I'm not encouraging everyone to buy these stocks kasi kailangan nyo munang gawin yung homework nyo. Kailangan nyong gawin yung analysis nyo, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, tingnan yung mga charts, tingnan yung price history ng mga stock bago nyo bilhin yung stock na yun. So itong list na to is purely based lang sa dividend yield nila noong 2020 and syempre yung average yield na binibigay nila the past 5 years. Okay, let's start with the first one, no? Yung COL Financial Group Incorporated. Yung stock code nila is COL. So yung 2020 dividend yield nila is 17.5%. So medyo mataas yan, no? Actually, ngayon nga lang din to napunta sa radar ko. Alam ko na merong stock yung COL dati, but I believe medyo mahal siya dati, but I'm not sure kung ano nangyari, no? Medyo parang borderline penny stock din siya. So yung 5-year average dividend yield niya is a whopping 35.30%. I'm not sure ba't ganun kataas yung binibigay nila. But yeah, tingnan ko lahat nung data galing sa PSE Edge, galing sa PSE, galing sa BPI Trade. Talagang mataas yung binibigay nilang yield and medyo mababa lang talaga yung stock prices nila. Yung 5-year average dividend payout ratio nila is 78%. So medyo mataas din, no? Yung binibigay nilang dividends every single year. So 78 na yan. Yung iba parang nasa 90, 80. Ganun yung average na talaga every single year. Yung current market price niya as of January 19, 2021. Ngayon ko lang kasi nire-record yung video is 4 pesos per share. So pwede pa yan magbago kung trip nyong bumili nitong stock na ito. And tingnan naman natin yung financials nila. So, hindi pa available yung data for 2020, but andito yung latest 2015 to 2019. So, steady gold-tab naman yung paglaki ng kita nila. Okay, so steady gold-tab yung kita nila 2015 nasa 262 million. And then 328 noong 2016, 378 noong 2017, then biggest noong 2018, 512 million pesos. And then last year, actually not last year, but 2 years ago, 2019 is 458 million pesos. So kapag lumabas na lang yung data ng 2020, check out nyo lang yun bago kayo bumili nitong si COL Financial. Okay, so yung current data niya is 3 quarters pa lang noong 2020. So period ended September 30. Wala namang hindi naman ito in thousands or in millions. So we're gonna take this as it is. So, yung income nila, tingnan muna natin yung gross revenue, no? 212 million netong 2020, and then third quarter ng 2019, 286 million pesos. So, konti lang naman yung difference, no? Wala pang 100 million. Then, current year to date, 676 for 2020, 2019, 898. So, yung income nila after taxes is nasa 92 for third quarter of 2020, 145 third quarter ng 2019. And then 294 current year to date. That's for the 3 quarters in total ng 2020. And then total ng 3 quarters ng 2019 is 459 million. Then yung second one na nasa list is si Central Azucarera de Tarlac. So yung stock code niya is CAT or CAT. Yung business nila is like sugar canes and all that, so more on farming or agriculture. Yung 2020 dividend yield nila is 12.05%. So that is a bit high din. However, ang problema dito, 2020 lang sila nagbigay ng dividend, and then yung last one is back in 2018. So hindi sila consistent magbigay ng dividends. So hindi ganun ka-reliable na every single year sila magbibigay. So 2-year average dividend yield is 6.56%. And as you can see here, mababa yung average niya for the 2 years kasi mababa yung yield noong 2018. Then yung 1-year average dividend payout ratio niya, this was back in 2018 kasi wala pang data ng 2020, 14.37%. Yung current market price niya is nasa 15 pesos and 2 centavos. That's as of January 19, 2021. And then silipin natin yung financials nitong company na to. Kahit paano kumikita naman sila, no? So, 176 million, 287, 583, malaki nung 2018. I think that's why nagbigay sila ng dividends. And then 2019 is 353. However, nitong 2020, since COVID happened, medyo nag-take ng hit. Lahat ng business naman. And then, of course, hindi naman sila exception dito. Bumabayan, naging 85 million pesos na lang. And then ito, it's a bit weird na yung nasa PSE Edge hindi pa complete, no? Ibig sabihin lang nito, medyo kumita sila back in the last quarter or fourth quarter ng 2020. Kasi yung current year to date dito na net income is nasa negative 62 million pa. Yung data sa BPI trade is kumita na sila ng 85 million pesos. So, yeah, medyo outdated yung PSE Edge. Okay, moving on to the next one is si ANS or Soriano Corporation. So, ANS yung stock code nitong company na to. Actually, medyo nagtatry akong bumili nito previously, like late 2019 and then early 2020, but no luck kasi hindi rin ganun kataas yung volume na natitrade ng mga stocks ng company na ito. So, yung 2020 dividend yield niya is mataas din, no? 11.03%. Gandaan naman yan, medyo consistent naman siya magbigay ng dividend. So, 5-year average dividend yield is 6.54%. But yeah, medyo malayo yung average niya the past 5 years compared to the dividends na binigay nitong 2020. 5-year average dividend payout ratio is 27.37%. Nasa lower end yan ng spectrum. Medyo mababa yan. Current market price is 6 pesos and 80 centavos. Silipin natin yung financials. So, billion naman yung kinikita nila. No? Medyo nag-hit lang. Nag-take ng hit yung income noong 2018. So, 808 million lang yan. But the rest, 2015, 1.28 billion. 2016, 2.5 billion. 2017, 2.6 billion. And then, 2019 is 1.84 billion pesos. Silipin natin kung anong performance sila currently nitong 2020, hindi ganun kaganda. In 1,000 pesos ito, so millions. So yung gross rev nila, kumikita naman sila, I mean, nakakabenta sila, no? Kasi may revenue. However, pagka nabayaran na yung taxes and then yung mga expenses, mga recurring expenses nila and overhead, medyo nagtitake na sila ng losses. So net loss nila this 2020 for 3 quarters is 1.3 billion pesos. So, medyo malaki yan. Kasi nung previous year for 3 quarters, kumita na agad sila ng 1.6 billion pesos. Ang laking problema talaga yung binigay nito si COVID, no, sa mga businesses na ito. So, unfortunately, I believe hindi siya makapagbigay ng dividends this 2021. Kasi yung basis naman ng pagbigay ng dividends is yung sa book reports or sa mga kinita nila previous year. So, pagka bibigay sila ng dividends ngayong 2021, dapat kumita sila noong 2020. Next one on the list is si PLC or Premium Leisure Corp. Itong company na to is kakabenta ko lang. I'm gonna show you kung bakit later on. 2020 dividend yield, nabigyan pa ako nito, no? 9.48%. So, I enjoyed that. And medyo mas mababa pa dun sa current market price yung pagbili ko sa company na to. So, yung 5-year average dividend yield na is 5.44%. 5-year average dividend yield payout ratio is 139.4%. So, sobrang taas, no? It's a bit weird. Current market price is nasa 53 centavos per share. So, ito yung history ng financials ni PLC. So, 2015, kita nyo naman, medyo mababa pa yung kitaan nila. So, 155, naging 959 million noong 2016, 1.7 billion noong 2017, 2.1 billion noong 2018, and noong 2019, 2.26 billion. However, currently, hindi ganun kaganda yung kitaan ni PLC. Well, we all know because of COVID. Kasi nga, Premium Leisure Corp, yung main businesses nila is like casinos and then like hotels, something like that. So, ayun, nag-take ng hit yung income nila. Meron naman silang revenue kahit papano. Nasa 500 million, no? Yung for 3 quarters ni 2020. However, pagka nabayaran na nga yung mga expenses and lahat ng overhead and taxes, nasa negative 125 million pesos yung losses nila. Compared to last year, for 3 quarters, kumita na agad sila ng 1.6 billion pesos. So ito yung isang reason kung bakit ako nagbenta ng stock na to. Actually, parang nasa 30, not sure kung gaano karaming shares, I believe. Mga 82,000 if I recall correctly. Yung holdings ko previously nitong si Premium Leisure Corp. I think 1/4 na yung nabenta ko at around 55 centavos per share kasi parang highly traded din siya. So medyo nagpa-fluctuate yung prices on the daily. So yeah, binibenta ko siya nga at 55 centavos per share. Nasa 3/4 pa, nasa 60k-ish shares pa yung hawak ko currently. But I'm looking to dump all of my shares soon. Basta mahit nga yung asking price ko ng 55 centavos per share. So next one is si SCC. So marami rin akong stocks nitong si Semirara Mining and Power Corporation. Yung 2020 dividend yield niya is 9.19%. So na-enjoy ko na rin kasi like early 2020 pa ako nakabili ito sa SCC. So 5-year average dividend yield 12.82%, mataas din. 5-year average dividend payout ratio is 94%. So almost lahat ng kinikita nila is binabalik nila sa mga investors. Current market price is 13 pesos and 60 centavos. And then yung financials sila, ayan every single year kumikita sila. So medyo nagpa-fluctuate lang din, no? So hindi siya masyado consistent sa iisang number. But I think that's good naman. So 8.4 billion, 12 billion, 14.21 billion yung pinakamataas sila the past 5 years or I can say the past 6 years kasi nga medyo nag-take din ng hit yung kitaan nila this 2020 because of the pandemic. 2018, 12 billion and then 9.68 billion noong 2019. For 3 quarters ng 2020, kumita na sila ng 2.9 billion pesos. So, not really that bad, no? At least kumikita pa rin sila. However, kapag nga kinumpare mo yung sa kitaan nila the previous year, 2019, so 3 quarters pa lang, no, nasa 8 billion pesos na agad yung kinita nila. So, it's really a big difference. Pero, I trust and I believe na bibigay pa rin sila ng dividends this 2021. Hindi lang ganun kalaki, no? Compared sa mga binigay nila the previous years, but I think it will still exceed 5% or at least 5%. Okay, so we are heading towards the end of this episode. Meron lang tayong mga special mentions. So yung una dyan is si DMC or DMCI Holdings Incorporated. Yung 2020 dividend yield niya is 8.94%. So yung current market price niya is 5.37. Nag-collapse yung prices niya, bumaba yung price ito like until 3.1 pesos per share. So kapag nakabili ka at that price point, medyo mas pataas pa yung dividend yield na binigay sa'yo, no? Or like ibibigay sa'yo nito si DMC. Next one is si SPC. So yeah, favorite yan ng mga dividend investors sa Philippines. So SPC Power Corporation. 2020 dividend yield niya is 8.10%. Current market price is 9.87. Actually, kanina lang nung nag-trade ako, bumili ako nito, mas marami pa. Kasi originally, binili ko to parang 1,000 shares lang. So, 6.6 pesos ko siya binili back then. Pero ngayon, mataas pa rin naman yung yield niya. So, bumili ako at around 9.82 pesos per share. So, ito, si TEL, PLDT Incorporated. Ito, kakabili ko pa lang din. I think parang 20 shares na nabili ko kasi medyo mahal siya, no? 2020 dividend yield is 5.42%. Alam ko meron pang mga mas mataas na yield yung binigay na companies nitong 2020. But I think it's better to include this company kasi reliable siya and talagang maganda. Yung average dividend yield niya the past 10 years pa nga eh. So yeah. Yung current market price niya is 1,420. As I've said, medyo hefty yung price but yung dividend yield naman niya is like same lang. So, nasa 5.42%. Meron kang ibang stocks na pwedeng bilhin na mas mura, mas maraming shares. Parang maganda lang sa paningin but same lang naman yung yield nila and I think mas reliable na i-hold itong si PLDT in the long run. Alright guys, andito na talaga tayo sa end ng episode. Silipin natin yung mga sources for today's video. Andyan si Unsplash, yung photo kanina, yung background, si Peso, BPI Trade, PSE Edge, and Jiffy. Lahat ng mga links niyan is matatagpuan sa description sa baba. And of course, before we end, meron tayong quote galing kay Warren Buffett. Gusto ko lang i-reiterate to. Alam ko dati na-include ko na to sa isang video or sa isang episode. But yeah, sabi niya, our favorite holding period is forever. Kasi pag minsan ako rin nalilimutan ko na yun yung favorite nating or favorite kong holding period. Minsan nate-tempt ako like mag-day trade or like mag-speculate and all that. But yeah, kailangan mo lang kontrolin nga yung sarili mo. Self-control lang and control your emotions, lalo na kapag parang nakakaramdam ka ng FOMO, fear of missing out. Kasi nga yun, may mga ibang traders na parang uy, ang laki ng mga kinikita ko ngayon and all that. But yeah, parang hindi ko naman gustong i-trade yung like stress ng daily trading dun sa parang peace of mind na okay, may maganda ko nabiling stock, mababa yung price, sulit na sulit, and then maganda yung dividend yield na binibigay niya. Kumikita, patuloy, kahit na nitong 2020 is talagang nagkaroon ng COVID, and nag-take ng hit yung businesses, may mga nalugi, may mga nagsara, and all that. May mga nag-cancel ng dividends, diba? So, kapag yung mga stock na binili mo previously is like nakasurvive or kumikita pa rin kahit na nagkaroon itong pandemic, I think, magkaroon ka ng peace of mind and you can be confident na in the future kapag mas naging successful and pagka nawala na itong pandemic na to, pag nawala na yung COVID, pagka mas naging abundant yung businesses, mas lalaki pa yung kita mo kasi nga nag-thrive sila and nakasurvive sila nitong pandemic. So kapag nawala yun sa picture, mas magsasucceed sila. Mas lalaking kita nila basically. Alright guys, end na natin yung episode here. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this video, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share nyo sa mga friends nyo itong video na to kung natripan nyo. Twice a week ako nag-upload ng mga videos similar to this. So subscribe ka na and ring the notification bell para wala kang ma-mess out. Thanks again everyone for watching. Stay safe and always remember, be Peso smart.
Show me.